vectors, UVs means unit vectors, then and angle between them is theta. Angle between them is theta. Then find unit vectors. Find unit vectors along angular bisector. Along angular bisector of A bar comma B bar. Look at. So there are two vectors. So there are two vectors, unit vectors. So these two are unit vectors given. So A bar is one unit vector, B bar is one unit vector. Along the angular bisector means we have already discussed. So this side, if A cap unit vector is there, this side B cap is there, unit vectors. So this is angle theta. He is asking unit vector. If this side A bar, this side B bar is there, what is the formula? Plus or minus A cap plus B cap divided by modulus of A cap plus B cap. In addition, we have discussed. So A cap means A bar only. This itself is unit vector. B cap means B bar only. That means this is A cap itself. This is B cap itself, unit vector. That means directly unit vectors are given. That means what is the unit vector along angular bisectors? Two vectors will be there. A cap plus B cap divided by modulus of A cap plus B cap. One unit vector will be along this direction. One unit vector will be along this direction. Right? So therefore, so in this direction, one unit vector, in this direction, one unit vector will be there. So that means plus or minus A bar plus B bar. A cap means A bar only. A bar plus B bar. Now look at, I am calculating modulus of A bar plus B bar. What is the formula? Modulus A bar square plus modulus B bar square plus 2 into modulus A bar into modulus B bar into cos theta. Cos theta. This is 1, this is 1. So unit vectors, that means take 2 common. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus cos theta multiple angle formula is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta means. That means 4 cos square theta by 2. So that means root outside 2 cos theta by 2. Therefore, unit vectors along angular bisector equals to plus or minus A bar plus B bar divided by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2. So these are the vectors. One unit vector will lie in this direction, one unit vector will lie in this direction. So these are the unit vectors. Like that, if one vector A bar you know, B bar you know, this is the unit vector formula along angular bisector. Now A cap is A bar only unit vector, B cap is B bar only. Or otherwise here A bar divided by modulus A bar. Modulus A bar is 1. So like that, if you know A bar, B bar, how to find unit vector along angular bisector? If angle you know. Next problem. Okay, next problem. Let two non-collinear unit vectors A cap and B cap form an acute angle so that at any time t the position vector PV means position vector of P that is OP bar equals to A cap cos t plus B cap sin t O is origin when P is farthest from origin O, comma, let capital M be length of OP bar and U cap be unit vector along OP bar. Then options you look at. U cap equals to A cap plus B cap divided by modulus A cap plus B cap comma M equals to 1 plus A cap dot B cap to the power 1 by 2, first option. Second option, U cap equal to A cap minus B cap modulus of comma M equals to the power 1 by 2. C option, U cap equal to A cap plus B cap divided by 1 plus 2 into to the power 1 by 2 D. Look at the problem, what he is telling. So there are two non-collinear unit vectors which are forming an acute angle like this. So let us say A cap, B cap are like this. Unit vectors. This is A cap. OA bar is A cap. So this is B cap. And the angle between these two vectors are given. And the angle between these two vectors are given. Right? So like this, so that at any time t, this is origin, position vector of p, it varies with time. Here t is the variable. So if you substitute, if you vary t, this vector will vary. So this vector is a variable vector where O is the origin. P is moving like this. Let us say at any instant time P is like this. Then OP bar given. It varies with time. It can be like this, it can be like this. It varies with time. Right? Where so this is given OP bar. When P is farthest from the origin O, let M be the length of OP bar. That means P is farthest. Farthest from origin means when P is farthest. When P is farthest, OP is maximum. OP is maximum. OP is maximum. So that means M is nothing but maximum length of OP. Maximum length of OP bar. That means farthest means that OP length is there. That is nothing but capital M. Capital M. Now at any instant, OP bar is this. OP is nothing but at any instant. Length of this is nothing but you can calculate modulus of that vector. OP is nothing but OP bar vector is this means OP is nothing but at any instant of time modulus OP bar less sin t. So let us say for convenience, this is A bar plus this complete is B bar. So this is A bar, this is B bar. Modulus of A bar plus B bar is there. Modulus of A bar plus B bar is there. Modulus of A bar plus B bar means root of modulus A bar square plus modulus B bar square whole square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar. That means A cap cos T dot B cap B cap sin T. So 2 into A bar is this, B bar is this. Therefore, you will get root of. So this is cos square T, cos T whole square into modulus A cap whole square means 1. So this is constant. Modulus cos T whole square means cos square T. Suppose 2 is there, you will get 2 square now. Just like that, cos square T into modulus A cap whole square is 1 plus sin square T into modulus B cap whole square is 1. Look at this is constant, this is scalar, this is scalar. So 2 cos T sin T. That means sin 2T into A cap plus B, A cap dot B cap. So at any time, distance of P from the origin is given by, that means at any time, it varies according to T. At any time, distance of P from the origin is given by 1 plus A cap dot B cap. That means this distance OP varies according to time. If T you substitute here, you will get different values. That means, so M is what? Maximum value. So OP will be maximum Look at, these are fixed vectors. Now, if this is maximum, this will be maximum when sine 2t is maximum means what? 1. When sine 2t is maximum, OP will be maximum. OP will be maximum. That means 2t equal to pi by 2. That means at t equal to pi by 4. At t equal to pi by 4, this will be maximum. So therefore, OP maximum is nothing but root of 1 plus this is 1. A cap, B cap. This is nothing but M. This is nothing but M maximum when t equal to pi by 4. At time t equal to pi by 4, this point P will be at a maximum distance from origin. Maximum distance from origin, and the distance is nothing but capital M root of 1 plus A cap dot B cap. So M is that. And what he is telling, when this is maximum, and what he is telling is when this is at a maximum distance, when this is at a maximum distance, so let us say this is the maximum distance. This is the maximum distance. So OP bar in that case, OP bar at t equal to pi by 4. What it will be? A cap into OP bar position vector at t equal to pi by 4 will be A cap into 1 by root 2. What is the position vector of that? A cap cos t plus B cap sin t. So that means at t equal to pi by 4, OP bar is what? Divided by root 2. That means when it is at maximum distance from origin, OP bar vector is nothing but A cap. At that time, at that instant t equal to pi by 4, OP bar, when it is maximum distance, its position vector is A cap plus B cap divided by root 2. He is asking unit vector in the direction of OP bar. He has given this as U cap. That means in this direction, unit vector is U cap given. So what is the unit vector in the direction of OP bar? In the direction of OP bar means OP bar divided by, if this is one vector, suppose let us say capital A bar. If this is A bar, that means unit vector along A bar is what? A bar divided by modulus A bar. That means at that instant, when it is at maximum distance from origin, unit vector along OP bar is U cap. That means U cap is nothing but, if you know the vector in that direction means that vector divided by magnitude of that. That means A cap plus B cap divided by root 2 divided by modulus of A cap plus B cap divided by root 2. This root 2 will get cancelled. So therefore, what is U cap? This U cap is this. When it is maximum, that instant you will get, when it is maximum. At that instant t equal to pi by 4, you will get OP bar. He is asking at that instant what is the unit vector along OP bar. That means OP bar divided by modulus OP bar. At that instant OP bar is this. So this is the answer. So first option is correct. Next. Look at. You will be given one equation in A bar, B bar, C bar. One equation is given. They are satisfying this condition, comma. modulus A bar equal to 1, comma, modulus C bar equal to 1 by 2, comma, modulus B bar equals to 1. Modulus B bar equal to 1. Then then angle between A bar and C bar equal to dash. Look at such type of equation in A bar, B bar, C bar. Whenever you want the angle, whatever the angle required, those vectors you keep it this side, and the remaining vectors bring that side. Right? This angle is there, A bar, C bar. Keep them on the left hand side, and the remaining vector bring it to right hand side. So now modulus. So modulus, that means if these two vectors are equal, their modulus, that means their lengths will also be equal. Apply modulus on both sides. Right? These two vectors are equal, therefore their magnitudes will also be equal. So now look at it. So this you write the formula root of this is A bar, B bar is root 2 C bar. That means modulus A bar square plus root 2 modulus C bar square plus 2 into A bar dot root 2 A bar dot B bar. So this is modulus of minus B bar means modulus B bar. Therefore substitute these values. Root 2 C bar. So that means this is modulus A bar square. So modulus A bar square is 1. Root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square 2 into this is modulus root 2 C bar whole square. Modulus B bar square. Root 2 whole square is 2 into modulus C whole square. Modulus C whole square is 1 by 4. 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 into A dot C again. Modulus A bar 1. A dot C again I am writing. Modulus A bar 1. Modulus C bar 1 by 2 into this angle only you want cos theta. Let us say angle between A bar comma C bar equal to theta, that you need to calculate. So this is nothing but 1. So 2 will get cancelled, 2 ones, 2 1 by 2, squaring on both sides, that means 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus root 2 cos theta equal to 1. That means root 2 cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. That means cos theta is nothing but minus 1 by 2 root 2. Theta is nothing but cos inverse minus 1 by 2 root 2. So therefore this is nothing but A bar comma C bar. So that means that is cos inverse minus x means answer can be given like this also. Pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2 root 2. So theta is obtuse. Look at cos theta. Cos theta what you will get? In the answer he can give it is obtuse angle. Cos theta is negative means theta is what? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Like that, whenever a relation you know and you want some angle, whatever the angle you require, you keep it in the left hand side. Remaining vectors you bring it to the right hand side. Apply modulus on both sides. If you write the modulus formula, everything you know except theta. Like that, when the equations are given. Look at next model. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB bar equal to A bar given, BC bar equal to B bar given, CA bar equal to C bar given. If modulus A bar equal to modulus B bar equal to 2, modulus C bar equal to 1, then equal to dash. Suppose like this asked. So now equation is not there. In triangle ABC, sometimes all the vectors will be given. You know this from the addition of vectors AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar. So AB bar is A bar given, BC bar is B bar given, C. So all are taken in the same order. All are taken in the same order means what? AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar will always be 0 vector. That means sometimes in triangle relation will not be given. If all the vectors are in the same order, A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 bar in a triangle. Now you want the angle between B bar and C bar. Bring it that side. So modulus I am applying. This, write the formula, root of so modulus B bar square means 4 plus modulus C bar square is 1, 2 into modulus B bar is 2 into modulus C bar into 1 into cos theta. Formula directly I have written. So modulus A bar is 2. This. So that means if you square on both sides, 5 plus theta equal to 4. So therefore cos theta equals to minus 1 by 4. Theta is nothing but cos inverse minus 1 by 4. So that is obtuse angle. That is obtuse angle. Pi minus cos inverse 1 by 4. This is nothing but the angle between B bar and C bar. In some cases, relation will not be given. So those are the triangle vectors taken in the same order. So resultant will be what? 0. That relation you have to write and then proceed. Like that, when the equations are given, one angle he will ask. Next look at. Look at. Maximum and minimum values he will ask. Look at those models. So look at. If modulus A bar equal to modulus B bar equal to modulus C bar equal to 1. That means they are unit vectors. Then A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar will always be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is very important inequality. Only when they are unit vectors. When they are unit vectors, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That means minimum value of this is minus 3 by 2. Look at how. So suppose you consider this whole square. You consider this whole square. So this is magnitude of the vector whole square. This will be greater than or equal to 0. This will always be magnitude of the vector. So this will always be greater than or equal to 0. When the sum of the vectors is 0, it will become 0. Otherwise, this whole square is what? Positive. This sum can be 0 also. If the resultant is 0, this modulus will become 0. Otherwise, greater than 0. You consider this one. So, what is this modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar? Modulus A bar square formula. Modulus B bar square modulus C bar square plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A greater than or equal to 0. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. That means greater than or equal, this is 3. Bring that side. That means A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar is always greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Is always greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. If there are only unit vectors, because if this is these three are 1 only, you will get greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. If 3 unit vectors are there, then A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A always greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Look at it. Suppose if modulus A bar equal to 1 and suppose it is given like this, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to minus 3 by 2. In the problem you got, these are 3 unit vectors given and this sum is minus 3 by 2. Then A bar plus B bar plus C bar will be 0 bar. So their resultant will be 0. Their resultant will be 0. Look at how. Suppose you calculate this. What is the formula? Root of modulus A square 1, modulus B square 1, modulus C square 1, 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A minus 3 by 2. So this will become 0. So magnitude of the vector modulus of A bar plus B bar C bar is 0. Magnitude is 0 means it is what? Null vector only. Null vector. Like that. If there are 3 unit vectors, then this will be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. When this is minus 3 by 2 unit vectors, when this equality will hold good, equal to minus 3 by 2 only if this resultant is 0 bar. Whenever these are 1 given and this is minus 3 by 2 given, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar. This is very important term. Equal to minus 3 by 2 whenever he will give. You write this one. This will satisfy. Only when these three are unit vectors. Otherwise this will not come now. So whenever maximum and minimum value asked, you use this greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. When unit vectors are given. Look at the models how they will be. Find. Suppose unit vectors are given. Find minimum value of modulus of a bar plus b bar whole square. Suppose you have to find minimum value of this. Now modulus of a bar plus b bar formula you know. What is that? Whole square means root will not be there. Modulus a square 1, modulus b square 1 plus 2 into a dot b. So this is modulus b square 1, modulus c square 1, 2 into b dot c, modulus c square 1, modulus a square 1. This, so that means you will get 3 plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Now this is always greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. 3 plus 2, that means this is always greater than or equals to 3 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2. So look at this, is this value greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That means, so this value, so 2 cancel. So this is greater than or equals to. So greater than or equals to 2 cancel. Wait, 6. So that means greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3. So that means minimum value is nothing but 3. This is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2 means this completely will be greater than or equal to 6 is constant plus 2 into minus 3 by 2. This will always be greater than or equal to 6 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2. So therefore that is 3. Minimum value. Suppose second question. Maximum value of modulus of a bar minus b bar whole square. So maximum value, suppose you need to calculate. So just like this, if you do 1 plus 1 modulus a bar square 1 modulus b bar square 1, this first one. So 1 plus 1 minus 2b dot c, 1 plus 1 minus 2c dot a. In the similar fashion as this, 6 minus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Now look at this is 6 minus. So you are deleting from 6 this value. That means in this case this will be less than or equals to 6 minus 2 into. You are deleting the number. Maximum value will be so less than or equals to. That means less than or equal to 229. Right? You are deleting from 6 this value. This is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Look at. So another method I will solve. Just simply here in this place you substitute minus 3 by 2. Then you will get 9. Right? Look at, I will do in one more method. A bar, do you know that? One more method I will do. You will get clarity. Greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2 actually. You have to find maximum value of this. You have to find maximum value of this. Now what I am doing is, I am multiplying with minus 2 on both sides. I am multiplying with minus 2. If you are multiplying with minus 2, inequality will become interchange. 6. If you are multiplying with negative quantity, inequality will be reversed. This less than or equal to 6, less than or equals to 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 means 3. Now add 6 on both sides. Add 6. Less than or equal to 6 plus 3 means what? 9. Therefore, maximum value equal to 9. Maximum value equal to 9. This is the one. In some problems you will ask this value does not exceed dash. Does not exceed dash means what? Maximum value of that does not exceed 9. That means it can't be more than 9. Maximum value is 9. Like that, whenever minimum value, maximum value is there, just simply in place of that you substitute minus 3 by 2. Look at, if you substitute minus 3 by 2, it will become 9. In the previous case, if you substitute minus 3 by 2, you will get 3. So this is minimum and maximum models. Next, suppose problem he will ask like this. Look at next model. If are unit vectors and number one, first question, modulus a bar minus b bar whole square equal to 9. He has given the condition, find value of modulus 3a bar plus 4b bar plus 3c bar equal to dash. So just he has given this as 9. This as 9, right? Now expand this. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 2a dot b plus. So expand this. 1 plus 1 minus 2b dot c. 1 plus 1 minus 2c dot a equal to 1. That means minus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to 9 minus 6, 3. That means a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. From the given information, you got a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to minus 3 by 2, and these are unit vectors. Therefore, we can conclude that 0. If a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is minus 3 by 2, then a bar plus b bar plus c bar will be 0 bar, I told. Right? So that means a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0 bar. 4b bar plus 3c bar you have to calculate. Now 3 take common. 3 into a bar plus c bar plus 4b bar. That means 3 into a bar plus c bar is what? Minus b bar plus 4b bar. That means this is nothing but 4b bar minus 3b bar. That is 1. Modulus b bar is given is what? 1. Always he will give such type of relation. From this you will get a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a value minus 3 by 2. If this is minus 3 by 2, then relation is what? A bar plus b bar plus c bar is 0 bar. Now take the relation and you can substitute a bar plus c bar as minus b bar. So therefore this will become modulus b bar. Such type of models. Suppose in this only, second question. If modulus of a bar plus b bar whole square equal to 3. Find suppose. So the same case arises. If you write 1 plus 1 plus 2a dot b, 1 plus 1 plus 2b dot c, 1 plus 1 plus 2c dot a equal to 3. That means a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is what? Minus 3 by 2. So from the given equation you got this and given unit vectors in the problem. So therefore A bar plus B bar is 0 bar. Now look at 4A bar plus 7 into minus A bar. Therefore this is minus 3A bar. This is minus 3A bar. That means modulus of minus 3 is 3 into modulus A bar. Modulus A bar is 1. That means answer is what? 3. Like that. Whenever you got minus 3 by 2 and unit vectors, then A bar plus B bar plus C bar is what? 0 bar. Next mode. Look at next. Look at. So A dot B we have defined like this. Modulus A bar into modulus B bar into cos theta dot product. Now suppose modulus of A bar dot B bar is nothing but modulus means this is positive only, this is positive. Modulus of this. That means positive value of this. That means this is positive only, this is positive for this modulus. Modulus A bar dot B bar is nothing but modulus A bar into modulus B bar into modulus cos theta. Now you know that modulus cos theta will always be less than or equal to 1. Modulus cos theta maximum value is what? 1. Modulus cos theta will always be less than or equals to 1. That means it leads to one inequality. Modulus A bar dot B bar less than, or this is less than or equal to 1. This is less than or equals to 1. That means modulus of A bar dot B bar will always be less than or equals to modulus A bar into modulus B bar. Modulus A bar into modulus B bar. Suppose look at how the inequality can be used. Let us say A bar equals to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. B bar equals to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. Let us say two vectors are there. Two vectors are there like this. So that means modulus A dot B. That means A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 less than or equal to modulus A bar. That means root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into root of B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Like this inequality you will get. Right? Look at how the application you have to do. How it is applied to problems. Look at modulus of A dot B is nothing but less than or equal to root modulus A bar into modulus B bar for two vectors A bar and B bar. For two vectors A bar and B bar. Look at how the inequality will be used. Whenever look at here product of two real numbers plus product of two real numbers plus product of two real numbers. Whenever product of two is there, if he wants to find maximum value or minimum value for those type of problems, we will apply this inequality. Look at how. Look at, suppose question is like this: if 5x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 10 root 2. This is given like this. This is equal to 10 root 2. Find minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square. Minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square. Look at. So here product of 2, product of 2, product of 2 is given. Right? You consider two vectors. A bar equals to first numbers. 5, 3, 4 is there. You consider one vector 5y plus 3j plus 4k. You consider two vectors. One vector is first numbers 5y plus 3j plus 4k, and another vector is second numbers. You consider two vectors. Whenever product of 2, product of 2, product of 2 is there, A bar you consider first numbers and B bar you consider second numbers. That means given A dot B. A dot B is what? A dot B is nothing but 5x plus 3y plus 4z. That is A dot B given. Now if A dot B is this, that means apply this inequality. What is the formula? Modulus of A dot B less than or equals to modulus A bar into modulus B bar. A bar is this, B bar is this. Modulus of A dot B. A dot B is nothing but 5x plus 3y plus 4z less than or equals to modulus A bar, you know, root of 25 plus 9 plus 16. That means root 50 into the other one is root of x square plus y square plus z square. That you want. So find the minimum value of that. So now you know this value. You know this value is what? So this value is nothing but 10 root 2 less than or equal to, this is 25 into 2, 5 root 2 into root of x square plus y square plus z square. That means 2. So that means squaring on both sides. So minimum value is nothing but 4. Like that, simple indication to use the inequality is he will give product of 2 plus product of 2 plus product of 2. He will give minimum value or like that something. So then consider first vector A bar, second vector B bar. You apply this inequality. Then the only variable which will be there, he will give that. Like that. Consider A bar, B bar, and then apply this. Look at next, another model of this. If A belongs to R real number and root of A square minus 9 given like this, tan A plus A tan B plus root of A square plus 9 tan C. Tan C equal to 12A. 12A. Find least value of tan square A, tan square B plus tan square C. Suppose he is asking least value of this. So it is related to modulus A dot B less than or equal to modulus A bar into modulus B bar. Now consider one vector first terms I plus AJ plus consider one vector this B bar equals another vector second terms tan A plus tan B into J plus tan C into K. Consider two vectors like this. So therefore, what is the theorem? Modulus A dot B less than or equal to modulus A bar into modulus B bar. So what is A dot B? A dot B is nothing but root of A tan B plus what is given? Tan C. That is A dot B less than or equal to root of modulus A bar. Look at A square minus 9 plus A square plus root square. That means A square plus 9. This is modulus this square plus this square plus this square into root of whatever the required you will get. This. So therefore this value is given. This value is given modulus 12A less than or equal to root of 3A square. This. So now this is nothing but root 3. Look at root of 3A square is nothing but root 3 into root of A square. So whenever root of A square is there, that means modulus A. Root of x square is what? In functions I told that is nothing but modulus x. That means the left hand side one is 12 modulus A less than or equal to root 3 modulus A into root of tan square A plus what is the required one plus tan square C. This is the one. So therefore modulus A cancel root 3 means so 4 root 3, right? So this is 4 root 3 less than or equal to the square on both sides. 16 into 3 48. This. So therefore least value. So therefore least value of that 48 like that model. If you take these vectors, your work will be over. And if you write the inequality only where you will do whatever he is asking. Like that, this inequality can be used for finding least value. Look at next term. Next, look at. Look at. Projection or length of projection or orthogonal projection of a vector A bar on vector B bar. Look at it. Projection or length of projection, all three are same. Projection or length of projection or orthogonal projection, all three are same. They are lengths only. So this is nothing but, so this vector, first vector is there, A bar dot, I will tell the proof, unit vector in direction of B bar. First vector is there, first vector dot unit vector along B bar, unit vector in the direction of B bar, modulus length is that, length is modulus of A bar dot B cap, modulus of A bar dot B cap. This is length, that's why modulus written. Length, look at what is this? Look at this. Suppose there are two vectors. A bar is like this, A bar is like this, B bar is like this. They are co-initial vectors. That means initial point is same. Let's say initial point is same. Right? This is A bar. This is B bar. This is B bar. Right? This is B bar. Projection of this vector on this vector is nothing but initial point is same. Na? Initial point is same. Just from terminal point you drop a perpendicular. From terminal point you drop a perpendicular. You drop a perpendicular. You drop a initial point is same for both. From the terminal point you drop a perpendicular. Then this OD length is there. This is OD length. This OD is there. Projection of this vector. Projection of this vector on vector B bar. On vector B bar. This OD length is called this OD. That means from initial point to where that perpendicular meets B bar, this OD bar is called, this OD length is called this vector's projection on this vector. On this vector, look at how you will get. Let us say angle between them is theta. Angle between A bar and B bar is theta. Angle between A bar and B bar is theta. Now OD. Now OD, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. So OD is nothing but modulus A bar. This length is what? Modulus A bar into cos theta. This OD is nothing but modulus A bar into cos theta, right? So therefore this is actually length. This length is nothing but projection. OD is nothing but projection. This is nothing but, I am writing like this, look at modulus A bar into, let us here vector B bar is there, here vector B bar is there. In this direction only I am considering one unit vector. In the direction of B bar, one unit vector will be there. Let us say B cap. This vector is given. So you can find what is the unit vector in the direction B cap. Now look at A bar comma B bar. I have taken angle theta. What is the angle between A bar B cap? This is also theta. A bar direction is this. B cap direction is also that. That means if this angle is theta, the angle between A bar and B cap is what? That is also theta. This I am rewriting it as modulus B cap into cos theta. Modulus B cap into cos theta. This is modulus A bar into modulus b cap into cos of angle between them. That means this is nothing but a bar dot b cap. A bar dot b cap. Look at this is nothing but a bar dot b cap. B cap is the unit vector. Not don't write b bar. B cap. That means projection of this vector on projection of a bar on b bar is nothing but this OD length. Drop the perpendicular. Let us say it meets at D. This OD length, if you want to calculate from initial point to where the perpendicular meets, that is nothing but a bar dot unit vector in the direction of b bar. That is b cap you have to find out. So this is a bar dot b cap. Here that only. OD is nothing but modulus a bar dot b cap. Modulus y written means, look at, if theta is acute, this is positive only. If theta is obtuse, then it will become negative. So length cannot be negative. That's why modulus written. That's why modulus written. Look at OD is nothing but modulus a bar dot b cap. That is equals to a bar dot b cap if theta is acute. That is equal to minus a bar dot b cap if theta is obtuse. That's why in all cases what we will write is modulus of a bar dot b cap. Even if it is negative also it will become positive. It will become positive. Just simple formula. Projection or length of projection or orthogonal projection. These three are lengths. Length OD. If you want to calculate just first vector, this vector, this vector, this vector we are projecting on b bar. That means first vector is this a bar and second vector you consider b bar. Then what is the formula? Modulus of a bar dot b cap. Modulus of a bar dot b cap. That is the formula. That means first vector dot unit vector along the second vector. Suppose here initial points are same. Initial points are same. Let us say the initial points are not same. Suppose AB is like this one vector, CD is like this, CD is like this. Even in that case also, let us say this is A bar, this is B bar. Initial points are not same. In that case, projection of A bar on B bar means from this point drop perpendicular on this. From this point drop perpendicular on this. Perpendicular on this. Right? So this point, let us say D, let us say L, M. LM. Now this LM is, this is B bar. This is B bar. LM is nothing but A bar dot B cap. Same. Even if the initial points are not same also, projection of A bar on B bar is nothing but, this LM. This LM is nothing but A bar dot B cap. Modulus A bar dot B cap. Okay. So if initial points are same, initial point will coincide. Only from terminal point we will draw perpendicular. If initial points are not same, projection means what it is you drop a perpendicular from the initial point, you drop a perpendicular from the terminal point. This LM length is called length of projection or orthogonal projection or projection of A bar on B bar. Look at the problem, how it will find. Let us say A bar equals to, I plus j plus k, B bar equals to 2i plus 2j plus k. Let us say two vectors are given. Number one, Find projection of A bar on B bar asked. That means first vector is A bar. Always take first vector A bar, second vector B bar. What is the formula? Modulus A bar dot B cap. A bar means the same. Unit vector you write. Don't write B bar. Unit vector. That means by mistake we will write in the exam only that vector. That is wrong. Divided by this is the one. Divided by root of 4 plus 4 plus 4. This is the one. That means modulus. So look at 2 plus 2 plus 1. 5 by 3. 5 by 3. That is nothing but projection of A bar on B bar. Projection of A bar on B bar. Look at this. Projection, what we have calculated is OD length. OD length. OD length. This length we have calculated. Now look at. Suppose second question. Second question. Find. He will ask like this. Find vector component. Find vector component of A bar in the direction of B bar. Find the vector component of A bar in the direction of B bar. That means this OD is there. OD bar you need to calculate. OD bar you need to calculate. Just OD calculated. That is length of projection. Now OD bar. He wants this component of this in the direction of B bar, means this OD bar is in which direction? That direction. That means OD bar is nothing but. Now OD length you know. OD length you know. In this direction unit vector is what? That means OD length into B cap. In that direction unit vector is there, that is B cap. OD length is what? OD length is nothing but 5 by 3 into B cap you know. 2I plus J plus K divided by 3. Divided by 3. That means this vector is nothing but 5 by 9 into 2I plus 2J plus K. This is OD bar. OD bar. For this formula I will write. For remembering the formula there will be confusion. Whenever you want component of vector in the direction of B bar, you draw the diagram. OD length you calculate by using this, and then this length you know. OD bar vector is nothing but this length into unit vector in the direction of B bar. Look at that is called vector component. What you got? Vector. That means OD bar. So look at, I will write the formula. I will write the formula. For this only a vector component of A bar in direction of B bar is nothing but this OD length is there, A dot B cap into unit vector. That only we have written 5 by 3 into this is B cap. So this is the formula. This is the formula. A dot B cap into B cap. This is the one. Right? This OD vector. There will be confusion in remembering this formula. Whenever you need, you try to draw the diagram, and then OD length, you remember this one formula. OD length you calculate, and then OD bar means that length into unit vector in that direction. That is easy method to write. So or otherwise you remember this formula. Suppose next question look at third. Third is he will ask find scalar component. Scalar component of A bar in direction of B bar. This means just OD length only. Whatever we have calculated, that length only, simple. Orthogonal projection length is there, that length simple, 5 by 3. Right. Scalar component means this length. Vector component means OD bar. Scalar component is also equal to projection or length of projection. In some cases, he will ask scalar component also. That means you write that length, that's all. Modulus of A bar dot projection. So this is, suppose, fourth problem. Find vector component of A bar in a direction perpendicular to B bar. That means he will ask the component of this vector in a direction perpendicular to B bar. Look at, this is B bar direction, component perpendicular to B bar means this dA bar. This dA bar. Now look at, I will calculate dA bar. First I have calculated OD bar, then dA bar in the triangle is nothing but DO bar plus OA bar. Look at, dA bar is nothing but DO bar plus OA bar. DO bar means what? Minus OD bar plus OA bar. That means this is nothing but OA bar means what? OA bar I have given. OA bar I have given. A bar. The OA bar I have given A bar. That means I plus J plus K minus whatever you got this one. 5 by 9 into 2I plus 2J plus K. This is the required vector. This is the required vector. That means what is the meaning is, this vector is resolved into two components, OD bar and dA bar. Resultant A bar is the resultant of OD bar and dA bar. Components means just it is resolved into two components. One is OD bar and another one is what? dA bar. One is in the direction of B bar and another one perpendicular to B bar. That means the resultant of OD bar and dA bar is nothing but AA bar. Those are the first component. First one we have written is the component of A bar in the direction of B bar, that is OD bar. The component of A bar in a direction perpendicular to A bar, that is that. If you want to remember as formula, look at the vector component of A bar in a direction perpendicular to B bar is, look at, I will derive the formula. Now dA bar is nothing but DO bar plus OA bar. That means this is nothing but OA bar minus OD bar. What is OA bar? This is A bar minus OD bar calculated here. B cap into B cap. This is the formula. A bar minus A bar dot B cap into B cap. This only, it will be written like this. Look at, minus B cap is what? B bar divided by modulus B bar. B cap is what? B bar divided by modulus B bar. It can be written like this also. That means this is scalar. That means A bar minus A bar dot B bar into B bar divided by modulus B bar square. Modulus B bar square. Same one. B cap is B bar by modulus B bar. B cap is what? B bar by modulus B bar. That means this modulus B bar is scalar divided by modulus B bar square. If you want to remember as formula, You remember this one. Or otherwise, just draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. First, calculate this length. Then calculate OD bar. Then you will get OD bar, that is in the direction component. Then DA bar from the triangle you calculate. Then you can avoid remembering all these things. Otherwise, what is A bar, what is B bar? In exam, there will be confusion in remembering this. So if you want to remember as formula, this is the vector component in the direction of B bar. This is vector component in the direction perpendicular to B bar. I will always do like this whenever I will solve. Look at the problems on this. Look at the problems on this. Look at, suppose it is given like this. Let P Q R So these are the position vectors given. Right? So he is asking find projection of RS bar on PQ bar. RS bar on PQ bar. Projection of this vector on this vector. You take RA equal to RS bar, B equal to PQ bar, like this. That means projection is nothing but A bar dot modulus A bar dot B cap. A bar dot B cap. First vector dot unit vector in the direction of second vector. So write A bar is what? A bar is RS bar. OS bar minus OR bar. 3i minus 2i. I. This is I. Minus 2j minus 0j. Minus 2j. So minus k plus 3k. 2k. So this is A bar. So then B bar. B bar is nothing but PQ bar. PQ bar is nothing but OQ bar minus OP bar minus I minus 2i. So this is 2j minus 0j. 2j, right? So this is 0k minus of minus k. So this is the one. Yes. So therefore projection is nothing but A bar I minus 2j plus 2k dot unit vector in the direction of this. Divided by magnitude is 3. So that means so dot, that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 divided by 3. Divided by 3 means modulus 4 by 3. That is 4 by 3. The length you have calculated is, look at, RS is like this, PQ is like this. This is the length we have calculated. The length I have calculated is LM. Initial points are not same. That means in that case, drop a perpendicular, drop a perpendicular. This LM length we have calculated. LM length. Like that projection means. In some cases, the same problem, look at. Instead of projection, scalar component. If you ask, don't take modulus. When scalar component is asked, only write A dot B cap. A dot B cap means with sign you write minus 4 by 3. That's all. Scalar component are same length, but with sign you write A dot B cap minus 4 by 3. That's all. Projection asked means modulus. Only scalar component asked. Don't write modulus. Whatever the sign you will get, that only you write. Scalar component means. Minus 4 by 3 you got. Just write that only. Minus 4 by 3. This is not length. This is called scalar component. Which sign? Look at next. Look at one problem application. Let A, B, C, D is a parallelogram such that AB bar equal to Q bar, AB bar equal to Q bar, comma, AD bar equal to P bar, AD bar equal to P bar, and angle BAD is acute. Angle BAD is acute if R bar is a vector, R bar is a vector that coincides with altitude directed from vertex B to side AD. Then find R bar. Look at the problem application. So one parallelogram is there like this. So AB bar is given Q bar, this Q bar, and AD bar is given P bar. AD bar is given P bar. So then angle BAD is acute angle. That means angle between P bar comma Q bar is acute. So this angle is acute given. What he is asking is, if R bar is a vector that coincides with the altitude drawn from vertex B to AD. Vertex B to AD. Okay, from vertex B, draw an altitude like this. like this. Look at this. So this is the altitude. Let us say L. Let us say L. BL. Let us say R bar. BL. Let us say R bar. Now, if you look at here, this R bar you want to calculate. R bar you want to calculate. Now look at it is nothing but this Q bar is there, this Q bar is there, and this P bar is there. Look at two vectors. This Q bar is there, this P bar means AD bar. AD bar is P bar. AD bar is B bar. Now look at. So this AL length is nothing but projection of Q bar. Now look at. This is initial point of both. This is initial point of both Q bar and P bar. From A, I have drawn a perpendicular on R bar. From B, this point, from this, look at, this is Q bar, this is P bar. So now from B terminal point, I have drawn a perpendicular. I have drawn a perpendicular on P bar. I have drawn a perpendicular on P bar. This actually AL length is what? AL is nothing but projection of Q bar on P bar. Projection of Q bar. In the previous case, look at this. From here, this is drawn. This OD is nothing but projection of A bar on this. Now similarly, this complete vector is there, Q bar, complete vector, this Q bar. So here on P bar, from here perpendicular drawn. Look at, from here perpendicular drawn. So this is A bar, this is B bar. Q bar on P bar. Projection of Q bar on P bar means what? Q bar dot P cap. Q bar dot P cap. Actually, this is modulus actually length. This is actually modulus Q bar dot P cap. But angle between P bar comma Q bar is acute means this dot product will be positive. Positive means no need to write modulus. No need to write modulus. If acute angle is there, this will become positive. Right? So this is Q dot P cap. Not this length he is asking. What he is asking? BL bar. BL bar. Now I want to calculate AP bar. AP bar is nothing but AL length. This length is there. AL length. You know, AL length into unit vector in the direction of P bar. That means P cap. So this vector is nothing but this length into unit vector in that direction P cap. That means this is nothing but Q bar dot P cap. This is that length into unit vector along that direction. This is the one. So AP bar I got. AP bar I got. And from the triangle ABP. From the triangle ABP, BP bar. This is R bar you want. That means BP bar is nothing but BP bar is nothing but BA bar plus, look at, from the triangle BA bar plus AP bar. This is nothing but R bar is nothing but, what is BA bar? What is BA bar? Minus Q bar plus Q bar dot P cap into P cap. So therefore you got that vector. If you further simplify, R bar is nothing but minus Q bar plus Q bar dot, write the unit vector in simplified form. This is P bar divided by modulus P bar into P bar divided by modulus P bar. That means, so simplified form answer is minus Q bar. This is scalar, right outside, modulus P bar square. Modulus P bar square. This is Q bar dot P bar into P bar. This is the answer. Simplified form. Simplified form. Like that application. Look at. This means we have dropped a perpendicular from this to this. That means this is A bar, this is B bar. So this is nothing but projection of Q bar on this vector. That means this length is nothing but modulus q bar dot p cap. This length you got, modulus actually. But acute angle means dot product is positive. That's why no need to write the modulus. So now AL bar vector I want to calculate. AL length you know, that vector into unit vector in that direction. This, so that is over. So this is AL bar, AL bar, not AP bar, AL bar is AL into P cap. AL bar you got, after calculating AL bar, BL bar you can calculate from the triangle. BL bar, BL bar, this is like that application. Okay. Last problem. Last problem. Look at it. If the projections of A bar and B bar on C bar where given that A bar comma C bar comma B bar comma C bar are acute. These are acute angles. Are equal, comma modulus A bar equal to 2, comma modulus C bar equal to 4, comma A bar comma B bar equal to 60 degree. Find modulus of A bar minus B bar minus C bar. This you need to calculate. Now look at what is given in the question. Projection of A bar on C bar equal to on C bar. What is projection of A bar on C bar? A bar dot C cap. A bar dot C cap. No need to write modulus because it is given acute angle. Acute angle means only positive. So equal to B dot C cap. Therefore, that implies you can say now both cancel. So what he has given is A dot C equal to B dot C. Now he is asking to calculate that one. Now you know modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. What is the formula? Root of modulus A square plus modulus B square. You write this first. 2A dot B. This is the formula. Now here write this formula and replace B bar equal to minus B bar, C bar equal to minus C bar. Replace in that formula whatever it is there. B bar equal to minus B bar, C bar equal to minus C bar. This is modulus A bar square. Modulus of minus B bar means same. Square is there. Minus C bar means same. So this is minus 2A dot B. I have replaced by minus B bar. So this is minus 2B bar dot C bar. So this is plus same. So this is the formula. Now you got A dot C equal to B dot C. So A dot C equal to B dot C, this will get cancelled. So these both are get cancelled. Now you got modulus A bar given. Modulus A bar is given as 4. Modulus A bar is given 2. So 4. Yes. modulus b bar equal to 3m. This is also given. Modulus b bar equal to 3. So plus 3 square 9. So modulus c bar is this 16. So this and this we got cancelled. 2 into what is this? Modulus a bar 2. Write the formula. Modulus b bar 3 into angle between them cos theta. That means 1 by 2. Therefore, this is nothing but root of. This is nothing but root of. So 29 minus 6. That is root of 23. Root of 23. That is the answer. Always, whenever projection is given, you write the formula. A bar dot on this C cap. Acute is given, that's why. Generally, this is the projection. Modulus. Acute is given means what? Only positive. So this condition is given. So this is asking. So this plus formula is there. Always you write this one. What is in place of B bar minus B bar you write. What is in place of C bar minus C bar you write. So like this on projections. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.